all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora detectorK. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities shared in my videos, do your own personal practice. Okay, you need to practice and perfect your trading skill very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier, I will be checking out all these assets, and everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. So guys, if you are not joining us live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay, okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Miyoka trading indicator. This has been on uptrend right from this support zone, got to this region, had a major pullback, went back up again, and of course played around there again, and of course went back up to this particular trend, and of course it's trying to go back on downtrend, but we needed to break out below this particular support zone. Okay, we needed to break out below this, so it is still selling at the moment. So this is still more of a selling opportunity at the moment. Well, once it breaks out below that support zone, it will sell more, but if it does not, it will go back on by trend. Okay, so you should understand that. Okay, the next asset is going to be boom 500. Started an uptrend right from this support zone. You can see the yellow flag. It kept on going up and up. The yellow flag actually signifies an uptrend, and that is why it is going up. But because it is an uptrend, does not mean it won't have little pullbacks in between. And you can see the blue arrow signifying a buy signal. You can see we only have a buy signal within this region. That's because the market is on uptrend. Okay, so right here we got a sell order because this has gotten to this resistance zone. It was unable to break out above it, and we also had a red flag which signifies a downtrend, and of course that is why this is selling. So this is still selling at the moment. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. This is crash 1000. Right here was the resistance zone. It was unable to break out from there, so we had a red flag around there, and of course a sell signal, and it started selling. Got to this support zone, was unable to go below it, so it started to buy right from there. So right now it is on buy trend. Okay, so this is buying at the moment. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. So this is crash 500, and this had been on uptrend right from this support zone. As we can see, it has gotten to this resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend. But you need to wait for all the necessary signals, the sell trend signal, the downtrend signals and the sell signal. But for now, this is still buying. This might not be for a very long time. Okay, we should take note of that. Then the last asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out right away. This is V75. Check out this. This is what I'm saying about this particular trading tool. Okay, it gave us a yellow flag around there, which gives us a buy signal. You can see it kept on going up till it got to this region. Right here we got a red flag, you can see it, and we got a sell signal, and so till it got here. So it pulled back again, and of course came down till it got here. So we can see we got a yellow flag again. It has been buying since then, and of course we needed to break out above this resistance. If it's unable to break out above it, then it will go back on downtrend. You're going to see the red flag flag and the red arrow. Okay, and but if it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment, even though it might not be for long, in case it's unable to break out above the resistance zone. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared, and of course practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.